Hey, WeSo fam! Welcome back to another episode of WeSo Health Tips, your go-to place for all natural health hacks. Today, we're talking about a truly underrated superfood, Chocho, also known as chayote squash. It's packed with health benefits, enjoyed in cultures across the world, and has an incredible history. Stick around to learn why Chocho should be in your diet right now. Before we dive into its health benefits, let's explore where Chocho comes from. Chocho, or chayote squash, originated in Mexico and Central America and has been cultivated since pre-Columbian times. It was highly valued by indigenous peoples, including the Aztecs and Maya, for its nutritional properties. During the age of Spanish exploration, Chocho spread worldwide, becoming a staple in various Latin American, Caribbean, and Asian cuisines. It thrives in warm, tropical climates, making it a popular ingredient in regions like Jamaica, Ecuador, the Philippines, and India. Now that we know its origins, let's talk nutrition. Vitamin C boosts immunity and keeps your skin glowing. Folate, essential for cell growth and great for pregnancy health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber supports digestion and keeps you full longer. This little vegetable does so much for your body. It's a natural powerhouse. Let's dive into why Chocho is considered a superfood. Heart health lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Supports digestion, rich in fiber, keeping your gut happy and healthy. Weight management helps control appetite without adding extra calories. Thyroid and kidney support contains copper, essential for hormone regulation. Cancer prevention, antioxidants protect cells from damage. Chocho is prepared in so many ways across different cultures. Mexico, raw in salads, cooked in stews, or stuffed with meats. Caribbean, a staple in hearty soups and stews with spices. Asia, stir-fried with garlic and soy sauce, perfect with rice. France, known as Christophine, baked in cheesy gratins. India, cooked with lentils and spices for flavorful curries. Have you tried Chocho before? Comment below with your favorite recipe. Did you know that every part of the Chocho plant can be useful? Leaves, used in herbal teas for blood pressure and inflammation. Shoots and stems, cooked as delicious, nutrient-packed greens. Seeds, edible and rich in antioxidants. Juice, used to manage weight and blood pressure naturally. This plant is so versatile. Nature truly provides everything we need for good health. Quick and easy Chocho recipes. Blend Chocho with coconut milk, garlic, and spices for a creamy, healthy dish. Mix raw Chocho slices with lime, avocado, and herbs for a nutritious boost. Sauté Chocho with onions, ginger, and soy sauce for an easy, delicious meal. Chocho is easy to prepare and pairs well with so many flavors. Alright, WeSo fam, now you know why Chocho deserves a spot in your kitchen. Tell me, have you tried Chocho before? What's your favorite way to eat it? Drop a comment. Like this video if you learned something new. Share it with your friends who love natural health hacks. Subscribe for more awesome WeSo health tips.